welcome to K Cooking. My name is HK. I want to teach you how to make Korean food simply and easily. Today I want to teach you how to make hotteok. Hotteok is one of the best street food in the South Korea. Hotteok ingredients are pretty simple, so just 3 cups of flour and 1.5 cup of lukewarm water, and then 2 teaspoons of yeast and 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of regular oil. I use the canola oil. First step, put 2 tablespoons of sugar in the lukewarm water. After that, 2 teaspoons of yeast mixed well. 3 cups of flour, put it in the big bowl, and 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and then put water. It's pretty simple. That's it. And mix it well. This is a little watery dough, so a little different than regular bread dough. So like this much mixed, and then I'm going to cover. Use the saran wraps. So just set aside about room temperature about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. So this dough will be raised about 2 times. While the dough is rising, I'm going to show you how to make fillings. So this is brown sugar, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and about 1/2 cup of nuts. This is a traditional one, but if you want, you can make your own style filling, like a mozzarella cheese or any kind of filling. Whatever you want it, you can put it in. So I'm going to crush some nuts. So I use the ice cream scoop or the meat hammer. I don't know what is this name. So like this, just crush. Then mix together. Super simple and easy filling. This is the dough 1.5 hour later. So it looks like a spider web inside. So like this. This is looks very perfect. This amount of dough you can make about 10 pieces of hotteok. So about medium heat, and about 2 tablespoons of oil. This dough is a kind of like a sticky dough, so we have to put some oil on the hand. Scrub like this well. And then about handful of dough, stretch like this, and I like a lot of filling, so I put 3 spoons of filling, and then cover like this, and then this side go on the bottom like this. And then about 1 minute later, we have to flip over so you can see this like a brown color. So really like golden brown. And you have to use this spatula, just push What a beautiful sound. About 1 minute later, we have to flip over one more time. And then push a little bit. This is a really super simple dessert. We have to wait about 1 more minute. I think almost done. So look at this perfect brown color, light brown color. Looks so yummy. Ta-da! And now I'm going to show you how much delicious this hotteok. Hotteok with a 1 scoop ice cream, also pretty good. I'm going to try it. It's really hot, so cover with one napkin. So good. So outside is a cream crunch, and inside is a soft, and then inside has a lot of filling. So hot, so you have to be careful, but still so delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then click the bell icon. See you next time!